UML ORM for the builder design pattern using Python. Participant builder declares the interface that defines each step required to construct a product. Separates object construction rules from the object's final implementation details. In Python, this is commonly implemented using the abstract base class ABC. The director calls its methods while the concrete builder supplies the implementation. Participant concrete builder implements the builder interface and performs the actual object construction steps. Encapsulates the logic required to create and assemble product components. In Python, it typically maintains a product instance and updates it dynamically. It receives requests from the director and returns its completed product. Participant director controls the sequence and order used to build a product object. Ensures the same construction process can create different product variations. In Python, it usually stores a builder reference and evokes build methods. It works with builder interfaces without depending on specific implementation. Participant product represents the complex object being assembled during the construction process. Stores all parts and data generated by the builder's steps. In Python, this may be a class whose attributes are assigned incrementally. It receives its completed state from the concrete builder. Summary. Builder defines the steps required for the object creation. Concrete builder performs the action of constructing the object. Director controls the order in which the object is built. Product. The final completed object returned to the client.